Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. Thank you so much friends, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and supported me 11 million views in my channel. Thank you so much. So today I come to the new topic here which is very important to biomedical engineers. Hot topic: dental handpiece cleaning, step by step real service, and before and after visuals it will be visible in this video. So remove blockages and smooth rotation and real hospital methods. So in this video you will be learn more valuable information about the dental handpiece. So dental chair handpiece and many issues are there. So first I took the issue about the dental chair, that is handpiece, how to clean and how to remove and how to maintain and how to provide the services in our work area. So in this video you can see here and how to clean live because of while doing the services, then I took the video. It is very helpful to whoever working in biomedical engineering sectors and that is dental related. So that is very important and very useful to everyone. Whoever provide the services dental chairs, it is very helpful. So in this handpiece, how to remove, how to dismantle, how to fixing all things and everything within less time, I took a video. So I hope you can watch this video. In this video, if you watch very clearly, then you can find out many things. So here you can see how it is really handpiece and how to cleaning, and before touch the handpieces you should be careful. At the same, because of it is infections, so hand gloves you should wear, and before you should be precautions by using chemical BMS. We can do all things. Because of normally we cannot do cleaning all things. This is because of the inside this is stuck. So maximum when we use the raw water, then it will be stuck and jam. So see here how to removing by using toolkits. Because of normally we cannot open because of those inside completely rusted and stuck. So that's why before WD-40 like that chemicals, BMS and these types of have to pour into this hole. So like this is toolkit, how to remove, how to fixing. This is like a screwdriver locker opener. So through this we can open and we can clean one by one, friends. So if you find here very clearly, I hope this see here by using this nose plier we will pick up, plug it and remove. So in this way while doing the services it is very interesting topic. I hope this handpiece how to serve you can find out and we will learn more knowledge. Thank you so much friends, and keep watch my channel and get more information like these videos. Many videos I will give and different types of available videos like experiences basis, technical, non-technical and management and multi management skills will provide in this channel. So thank you so much friends, keep watch my channel, have a bright future, and tomorrow next video I will bring it for you. So thank you so much friends, will come back to you.